the Aroma rice cooker, food steamer, slow cooker. I've had this for several years, and I use it almost every day. It's being used just about every day. So it's a good product. I've had several of these. I have some other sizes. This size right here, let me see. What I will say as far as cooking goes, this is what I use for rice, and this is 2 cups. And I've figured out that the best for consistency with your rice is between 1 and 2 cups of dried rice, and then the water. That's the best consistency. Anything under a cup in this size rice cooker, for me, it's a little drier than I want it. And anything over 2 cups, so I've done 4 cups that will fit. It'll cook in here, but also the consistency from the bottom to the top, the rice is different. And also, see how there's this, so it'll overflow. So the water will spit out the top. If it's like 4 cups, which it's not a big deal to me, but that's something people might want to know. So 2 cups is of dried rice is what I cook in there on a regular basis. These little nicks right here are me using a steel spoon rather than some type of a plastic or wooden spoon. And I'm an idiot like that. So, but I generally put a little bit of oil on the bottom. In the beginning, you can do without it. I think as over time, it's needed. Otherwise, it'll start sticking a little bit. But that's like after many uses. And what else? What else do I have to say about this? Overall, it's a great product. I cook mostly rice in here. I've cooked stuff like oats, which oats will stick if you don't oil the bottom. I mostly cook rice, but I will cook, of course, different vegetables with it. Smaller potatoes, you could stick them in whole with the rice, and they'll cook on a rice setting, brown or white. And if they're bigger, I just cut them, and they'll cook all the way through within that time. Fruit, dried, frozen vegetables, fresh fruit. I've done it all, and it all, as long as I just stir it up in there with the water to even it out, and it all cooks pretty consistent with whatever time, whether it's brown or whether it's white that you're doing, whatever setting you're doing. It all cooks in there. You don't have to mess with it. You don't have to open it up and stir it around. So that's what I've done with it pretty much. And I would say, if you're going to cook eggs in here, in the past, I ruined the bottom, cracking the eggs and cooking the eggs with the rice cracked. So you can put whole eggs in there and cook them, and they'll be like hard-boiled eggs. With whatever setting you're using, they'll be cooked too. So that's another thing you could do. But other than that, I haven't really cooked too many other things, and I haven't used the slow cooker, just the rice cooker. So that's my review for this.